Hello, everyone. Hello, my YouTube family. I thank y'all for coming back to my channel. I definitely appreciate it. This is just going to be a little quick video, something that I had on my heart. A lot of people are lying to themselves, and it's so easy to tell a lie, but it's very hard to live with one. A lot of people have shame, and they're holding themselves back for this shame. This shame is really crippling them in life. But I want you to know that if you take ownership of it, if you step out on faith, I'm telling you, what you went through was for a reason. And we really are selfish by not sharing our experiences. God took us through those experiences so we would share them. Not so we could sit back and shrink ourselves and think that we're less of ourselves because we went through challenges. People are more easier to relate to people who's going through something than relate to people that's winning. The things you went through were for a purpose. It was meant for you to share them. I want you to know that is your superpower. You have to be able to face it head on. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Own it. For years and years, I let it hold me back as well. That was my biggest mistake. But everything is done in God's timing. And I'm glad that I was able to heal from that pain. My thing that I was holding back, so shame of it. It was crippling shame for me. I thought so less of myself. My self-esteem was trash. I wouldn't even want to go to the store, be around people. I was very depressed. And it's because I thought what I had done was so terrible. I was in addiction. My drug of choice was prescription pills. I was addicted for probably over 10 years. I'm now probably 8 years clean now. But the first 3 years of after all of what I had done and all of what I had been through, I was just crippling shame of it. But I want you to know there is no shame in it. There is no shame in what you've been through. Everything that we go through in life, it is a purpose. It is a reason for it. And that is, the devil is a liar. He's a liar. He's trying to make you feel small. He doesn't want you to be what you are supposed to be. He doesn't want you to walk in your purpose. And the longer that you keep hiding yourself, the more you're not trusting God and leaning on your faith. You're leaning on your own understanding instead of God's. So we can't have it both. We cannot be in anxiety and in fear. God doesn't live in that. Own it. Own it. You will feel so free. You will be so free. But I just want my family to know. I just want all y'all to know. You will not feel free until you truly let go of the shame and live in your purpose. We go through things for a reason. Not so we can go bury ourselves in the sand. That's not what we go through it for. We go through it for somebody else's good. All things work together for our good. Do not continue to hold yourself back. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And make sure y'all like it and help me push out my channel. I definitely appreciate it. If you've gotten this far, I thank you all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.